Carolyn, we'll start with you. Your bird is?
Pigeon.
Very
Pigeon.
good, Carolyn. Katie, your bird is?
Flamingo.
That is correct, Katie. Bravo. Brennan, your bird is?
Pheasant.
Sorry, Brennan.
Guinea fowl.
Sorry. I was looking for Siamese fireback. Carolyn, your next bird.
Peacock.
That is correct. That's a point for Carolyn. Katie, your bird is?
Chicken.
That is a chicken. Bravo, Katie. On Brennan's heels.
Calm down, calm down.
Brennan, your bird is?
Marabou.
Sorry, Brennan. I was looking for roseate spoonbill. Roseate spoonbill. Carolyn, your bird is?
Penguin.
That is correct, Carolyn. 5 points for
Oh, sorry,
Carolyn.
just penguin? Just penguin?